Good morning, class 12. So, let's start our economics class. We are in new chapter. We are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 12, cost determined pricing. And from this chapter, only one marks question will be asked coming in your board examination. So, the first topic which we are going to study in this chapter is markup system. What is markup system? So, you can see that markup system, the system of determining price of a product by adding something with average cost is known as the markup system. So it is a system where we add something, okay, some price in average cost, so that we can determine the price, and that is known as markup system. Like for example, suppose that the firm produces 100, it is 100 given, okay, 100 units of output, and the total cost is given 1000 rupees. Then suppose the total cost is 1000 rupees and the product produced is 100, then cost per unit, that is average cost, is equal to 10. Yes, because 1000 divided by 100 is equal to 10. So we can say that cost per unit of output is rupees 10. Now, as we know that the firm wants something, means in return you can say that as it is only the cost price, so firm wants something price, sorry, not price, profit, okay, profit, you can say normal profit or the planned profit. So what, suppose that a firm wants rupees 2 to earn, okay, suppose the firm wants to earn rupees 2. Now what will be the price? It is the average cost rupees 10, so average cost plus planned profit per unit is equal to price. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So this process is known as markup system, and this process is especially supported by the Michael Kalecki, okay, Michael Kalecki. So Michael Kalecki was one of the important supporter of the markup system. You have to remember that Michael Kalecki, this type of question always comes in board examination, okay. So as per Michael Kalecki, price is equal to average variable cost plus markup. So as we can see there, that price is equal to average cost, okay, average cost is given. So here average cost plus this is planned profit is nothing but the markup. So average variable cost is given, but since we are talking about long run, okay, we are talking about long run, so in long run there is no fixed cost. So here we can say that average variable cost is equal to average cost. That is the reason markup supported, sorry, Michael Kalecki supported this process, okay. So here as per the Michael Kalecki, price is equal to average variable cost plus markup. Thank you students. So I hope you all have understood this.